Dampierre TV.
Here with some dope. Now, girl, will be dope.
Tina making a second guest appearance. Or more like third.
Did you hear? Snapple has more great stuff. They found better stuff. It makes the stuff that they had before.
Ethan.
Just good stuff.
What is wrong with him?
That Mayweather money looking funny in the light. I'm looking real rough right now.
Road to Summer Jam. What are we doing now?
Road to redemption.
What is wrong with that?
Toya needs to make a guest appearance. Toya, say what up to Dampierre TV.
Hi, Dampierre TV.
Yo, chill. Don't hit me with...
Donna, look.
Oh, smash.
Wait, you were close. Yo, see this? And I can my baby.
Let me see.
Find it? That's not the whole Buddha.
Yo.
It's the host.
It's Yankee.
Imagine masturbating with this.
Hey, yo.
Oh, no.
All right, that's too graphic for the view. You didn't record that.